Hey, this is Brad Gill at NextHome Lifestyles. Welcome back to a quick market update for the city of San Jose. It is May 9th, 2022. So what's happening this week? We're going to take a look at the current statistics for single-family homes, condominiums, and townhouses. And what we're seeing is we're getting back to some regular seasonality in our marketplace finally. What do I mean by that? Well, last year was a phenomenal year as far as the rate and the frequency of sale. Interest rates were so low that it prompted so many transactions to occur that our market really didn't recover on inventory. In other words, we had properties that were selling at such a high frequency and rate that the pending sale numbers continue to be higher or unbalanced all through the entire year, rather than following seasonal norms when we have higher inventory rates in summer and lower demand rates. So the good news report to you today is we're starting to see that inflection point. So let's take a look. Current active inventory level is 703 units, single family homes, condos, and townhouses available for sale, which is higher than last week, which was at 672. So about 4% higher. Current pending, we have 763, although we are up from last week. You can see that these numbers are getting very close to where active inventory is catching up to our pending sale numbers. So again, that's going to bring a little bit of reprieve to the market for buyers, balancing things off a little bit and allowing for all that buyer demand and pressure on home prices to again start coming down a little bit so we get back to stabilization. Inventory trends. So over the last 7 days, we saw 309 new units come to the market, slightly down from last week. Demand trend, we had 188 units go under contract of sale, pretty much the same as last week, we had 187. Market expectation wise, over the last 7 days, we had 37 properties that didn't sell, so they expired or they were withdrawn from the market. Compared to last week, we had 21. So again, expect that number to slowly start increasing as we head towards seasonal norms. Price changes, 85, very consistent with last week at 86 or 12% of our inventory. As we're getting back to normal rates, we do expect that to rise as high as 25 to 30%. Weekly price changes, we're at 85 compared to last week at 86, or about 12% of our inventory level. As we head back into a more balanced market later this summer, expect to see that upwards of 20 to 25% of our overall inventory. When you start seeing that number rise again, you're going to see a stabilization in our market. 30-year fixed rate mortgage up again, 5.27 from 5.1 last week. What does that mean? Rates are still going up. Home affordability overall is coming down, but you can still find really good interest rates on jumbo mortgage programs. I saw one last week for as low as 4.125. So I know you can still find something out there within the 4% range, which is really good. So again, if you're looking to purchase, get out there. You're starting to get a little more choice in the market and things are starting to slow down again. If you're thinking about selling, definitely want to make sure you begin to think about making those updates or upgrades to your home that may create a more compelling viewing for a buyer coming through. Because as we head into summer, there's going to be more competition for sellers, definitely this year compared to last year. I'm Brad Gill at NextHome Lifestyles. Thanks for watching this week's market update. Hope you guys tune in for next week's.